If you're thinking about starting your own trucking business, you've probably heard about the magic 3 letters, LLC. But what exactly is an LLC, and why do you need one for your trucking business in the first place? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a legal way to structure your business. It's like a protective bubble, which keeps your personal assets safe if things go south. So, if you're driving the big rigs, you definitely want that bubble around you. But how do you set one up? Let's break it down into a few simple steps. First off, you need to choose a name for your LLC. Pick something catchy, yet professional. You want it to reflect the spirit of your business, but also make sure it's unique in your state. Once you've nailed down the perfect name, it's time to register it. This usually involves filing some paperwork and paying a small fee, but hey, it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Next up, you have to get an EIN, which is basically a social security number for your business. It's essential for tax purposes and for opening a bank account under your LLC's name. Now, don't let this step scare you off. It's not as complicated as it sounds. With movingauthority.com by your side, you'll have your EIN sorted out without breaking a sweat. Now, let's talk paperwork. States have their own rules and forms, and it can start to feel like a mountain of documents. But remember, every successful business owner has been there. It's just part of the journey, and you're not alone. This is where Moving Authority can really help by handling the nitty-gritty details so you can focus on what you do best, driving and growing your business. Another key step is opening a dedicated business bank account for your LLC. Keeping your personal and business finances separate is crucial for protecting your liability status and making accounting much easier. Plus, having a professional business account helps when applying for loans or managing expenses. Lastly, you'll need to keep things in check with annual reports and fees to keep your LLC in good standing. It's like maintenance for your business, similar to how you'd keep your truck in top shape for the road. Starting a trucking business has its challenges, but getting your LLC doesn't have to be one of them. Remember, the smoother your setup, the more time you can spend doing what you love. If any of this sounds like a bit much, you know we've got your back. Visit us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. Consider us your co-pilot on this journey. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating the road to a successful trucking business. Safe travels and happy trucking.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.